Why is it essential for startups to have a CTO to manage technical risks? Let's find out. We'll talk about 3 critical areas where a CTO helps manage technical risks: technology strategy, risk assessment, and execution. First, let's discuss technology strategy. A CTO creates a technology roadmap aligned with the startup's goals. They identify the right technologies that balance innovation with stability. Next is risk assessment. A CTO continuously monitors potential risks, like security vulnerabilities or scalability issues. They ensure that the product architecture is designed to scale and adapt as the company grows. Imagine launching a new feature that could impact thousands of users. Well, the CTO assesses risks before the launch. Now, let's talk about execution. Execution is about translating strategy into action. A CTO guides the development team, ensuring they deliver high-quality code within deadlines. They also set best practices for coding, testing, and deployment. But why is managing these risks so important for startups? Startups often face high uncertainty and limited resources. A CTO helps mitigate risks, ensuring the company doesn't suffer costly setbacks. For example, they might implement security protocols that prevent data breaches. By balancing innovation and risk management, a CTO can drive sustainable growth. Communication is also vital. The CTO bridges the gap between technical and business teams. In summary, a CTO plays a critical role in driving the startup's technical success while managing risks. With the right CTO, startups can confidently scale their technology and grow their business. Thanks for watching. For more insights, visit our website at 6 p.m. Like, comment, and subscribe.